The next question is, compare the power used in the 2 ohm resistor in each of the following circuits. A 6 volt battery in series with 1 ohm and 2 ohm, and the second one is a 4 volt battery in parallel with 12 ohm and 2 ohm. This problem can be solved in two ways. First method is power is given by I square R. Since these two resistors are in series, same current will be flowing, and resistance in series combination is given by R1 plus R2, that is equal to 1 plus 2 is 3 ohm. Then I is given by I series is given by V by R series, that is V is 6 and R series is 3 ohm, that is 2 ampere. Then power dissipated in 2 ohm resistor is I series square or 2. I series square is 2 square and R2 is 2. Then we get 8 watt. And another method is power dissipated is given by V square, V2 square by R2, where V2 is given by VR2 by R1 plus R2. Here R1 is 1 ohm, R2 is 2 ohm. V is 6 volt, 6 into R2 is 2 divided by R1 plus R2 is 3, 3 2s are, V2 is 4 volt. Potential drop across second resistor is 4 volt. So potential drop across R1 will be 2 volt. Total will be 6 volt. If I substitute this value here, V2 square is 4 square, that is 16 divided by R2 is 2, that is 16 by 2 is 8 watt. In both the methods we get the same result. In the next question, power dissipated across R2 is given by power is V square by R. Since these two are connected parallelly, the potential drop across both the resistors will be same. Across R1 it is 4 volt, across R2 it is 4 volt. It is given by P is equal to V square by R2. V square is 4 square, that is 16 by R2 is 2, that is 8 watt. This is the first method. In the second method, it is a little bit lengthy one. First we have to find parallel resistance. Parallel resistance is given by R1 R2 by R1 plus R2, that is R1 is 12 into R2 is 2 by R1 plus R2 is 14. 2 7 are 2 6 are, that is 14 by 12 by 7 ohm. Now current IP is given by V by R parallel, that is V is 4 by R parallel is 12 by 7, that is 4 3s are, that is 7 by 3 ampere. Now power dissipated in R2 is given by I2 square R2, where I2 is given by IR1 by R1 plus R2, that is I is IP here, that is 7 by 3. R1 is 12, R1 plus R2 is 14. 7 2s are 2, 6 are 3 2s are, that is 2 ampere current passing through this resistor is 2 ampere. Then substituting this 2 ampere and R2 in this equation, I2 square is 2 square, R2 is 2, that is 8 watt. Both the ways you get the same result.